Hi, this is Ellen DeLapp, certified professional organizer and owner of professionalorganizer.com. Organizing your finances can be really difficult for some people, so I wanted to offer some simple, practical solutions for getting you started and helping you be more organized about your money. The first step is always write stuff down. We used to have those check registers that we used to write things down. Now things are more sophisticated, but you can always think of your own solution either on paper or digitally to record the information that has to do with your money. It might be in Excel or in another table so that you can be sure that you're recording recurring types of payments as well as the payments you make every month. Now, streamlining your finances and simplifying and organizing them is just the same as organizing any other part of your paper, your home, your car, or even your calendar. So, we want to think about what are the simplest ways for us to access the information we have and also how to track how we're spending and also how to spend the money that we intend with our goals. So, the simplest way to streamline is to think of limiting the number of bank accounts and credit card accounts that you have. This way, you know where you're paying from, how frequently you're paying, and also you can find information quite easily by downloading that information from your bank. I also want you to think about choosing apps and technology wisely, those that will help you automate and also help you find information. You might want to limit the number of apps you have that have to do with money, and those have to do with not only transactional accounts such as Venmo and Zelle, but also things like You Need a Budget or Monarch or Simplify to record your budget and figure out how are you spending your money. So choose apps and technology that reinforce the way that you think. And of course, always seek support when you're looking to get more organized. That might come from a financial advisor, accountability partners, or money managers. These are people who will help you support your goals as well as help you be more accountable to the ways you intend to spend your finances. And of course, when you think about organizing, think about the ways that routines will reinforce all the success you're having. Having a certain dedicated time to not only pay your bills, but to review your big picture of how you're thinking about spending your resources. This is Ellen DeLapp, certified professional organizer, owner of professionalorganizer.com.